Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey mustard sauce from scratch. First, gather your key ingredients: Dijon mustard, honey, and mayonnaise. You will also need a touch of apple cider vinegar and a pinch of salt. Make sure you have a small mixing bowl and a whisk ready. Accurate measurements are crucial for achieving that perfect sweet and tangy balance, so have your measuring spoons handy. Now, let's get mixing. In your bowl, combine 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of robust Dijon mustard. Next, add 2 generous tablespoons of your favorite honey, along with 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar for that essential tang. Whisk everything together vigorously until the sauce is completely smooth and has a uniform, creamy consistency. Once your delicious honey mustard is ready, transfer it to an airtight container. This will help maintain its freshness and flavor. Store the sauce in your refrigerator where it will stay good for up to 1 week. It's incredibly versatile. Try it as a dipping sauce for chicken tenders, a spread for sandwiches, or even a dressing for a simple salad. Want to customize your sauce? Try using different types of mustard, such as a spicy brown mustard for more heat or a whole grain mustard for added texture. For a subtle kick, a small dash of cayenne pepper works wonders. You can also adjust the honey to mustard ratio to suit your preference for sweetness or tanginess. And hey, if you're looking for a great read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.